Monday morning team meeting.
Team meeting.
Planning the week.
Safety inspection mode.
There you go. There you go.
There it is.
Monday, again. Rip saw, 5-head Moulder. They're already done, set up, ready to go. The only thing that I'm going to be doing now is set up a new dust collector for them, because I've been using it with the small one, which works, but I cannot connect them both to one dust collector. I have to use 2 dust collectors. But I had the bigger ones, which I was keeping on the rack, brought it down, set it up, and now both of them are going to be connected to the same dust collector. So I can cut. As soon as I'm done cutting from the other side, I do the planing and making them perfectly rectangular and square. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, amongst other things. Yeah, that's it. The way now to make the bags on the dust collector stand up, because otherwise every time I stop the dust collector, the bag goes all the way down. It's like a 6-foot bag and it needs to stay all the way up. I had some metal supports that were holding them up, but I lost them. But when the fan is off, they go down because there's no more air holding them up. So what they have from the factory, it's a metal bar that keeps them upright so that they don't fall whatever over the tools or... So I'm gonna try to replicate that using some PVC pipe. Is it PVC? Yes, PVC. And once I have this up, then I'm gonna run them. But one thing I have noticed is that the pipe, it's a little bit too big, the interior diameter. I got some 2x3s, and maybe we're gonna put 2x3s in the joint, only on the floor. Whatever, the walls and the ceiling, and on the outside, we can use leftovers to where they meet. The sheets. Yeah, but on the floor, because we're going to be walking on it and putting weight, I think it's better to reinforce on every joint with 2x3. Yeah. We reorganize this a little bit. You see how convenient it is to have everything on wheels. We're going to reinforce a little bit the floor. You're going to see, because right now, again, I was worried about the pod, the structure, not the way we're gonna put the skin on the inside. So now seeing it done, next iteration is gonna have the support exactly where the 4x10 is going to meet. But right now there's nothing here, right? So I need to put supports everywhere there's a joint in the floor, just to reinforce it. I think we're gonna have to first screw all of them, right? Yeah, so we're gonna do what? 2 screws per. So that we lock them in 2 ways. One like this, and one like this, right?
Top one goes from here into here, and the bottom one goes into the same on the bottom.
Yeah, so from this to this.
Start today at wealthfront.com.
I have them hooked up here. I have to put power to it and see how it works, and if it does. Because if not, it was a good 3/4 of a day wasted. But it should. It's a combination of a multi-bladed saw and a multi bladed shaper. So with the one behind me, behind the dust collector, I can rip solid wood into strips. And with this one in front of me, I can plane it to a smooth finish on all 4 sides in one pass. So that one is called a rip saw or gang rip, and this one is called a 5-head shaper. So I'm trying to see if I could get some nice soon-to-be door frames out of this today. Because I have already used the rip saw, it works. I've just set up the 5-head molder or shaper, but I didn't run any pieces through it. And before I run any pieces, I want to make sure that I have the proper dust collector. And that's what I've been doing today. So now they're going to be an ensemble of 3 pieces of equipment, a dust collector and 2 cutting machines. So I'm doing a trident. This is my trident. Look at this contraption here. From a 5 horsepower dust collector. I want to have them permanently attached, both of them, and be able to switch which one I'm using. And I have a separator that closes either one or the other one, concentrating all the dust collection to only one of the machines. Multiple things that we're testing today. I put 2 feeders on it. I did the extraction on the dust collection so that I can put 4-inch exhaust hoses in them. I don't know, there's nothing normal about this, and I'm not copying something. Like, I'm developing as I go. It's just something that I do based on what I would want it to do.